Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer onboarding checklists from BambooHR to Asana. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your BambooHR account. Navigate to the Employees section from the dashboard. Select the employee whose onboarding checklist you want to transfer. Scroll down to the Onboarding tab within their profile. Locate the specific checklist you wish to export. Take note of the items in the checklist, as you will need to recreate them in Asana. Next, log in to your Asana account. Choose the project where you want to import the checklist. If you don't have an existing project, create a new one by clicking the plus button. In the project view, select Add Task to start creating your checklist items. For each item on the BambooHR checklist, enter it as a new task in Asana. Be sure to include any relevant details or deadlines for each task. If applicable, assign tasks to team members responsible for each onboarding step. Once all tasks are added, review the checklist in Asana for accuracy. Consider adding due dates for tasks to help track progress effectively. You can also create sections in Asana to categorize different onboarding stages. After setting up the checklist, double-check that all items are accounted for. Now, you can manage the onboarding process directly within Asana. Monitor task completion and adjust deadlines as necessary for a smooth onboarding experience. With these steps, you have successfully transferred your onboarding checklist from BambooHR to Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.